Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang dan selamat datang kembali di channel ini. Di kesempatan kali ini saya akan mengajak kalian kembali mengeksplor ipal, pdam, cikoneng, bojongsoang yang lagi hits dan spot-fotonya viral ya teman-teman. Dulu juga saya sempat mengeksplor tempat ini, tapi belum seviral dan serame sekarang. Kalau kalian penasaran untuk video saya yang sebelumnya, boleh lihat ada saya di atas ya. Dan saya memulai video kali ini yang baru tetap dari jalan belakang ya, jalan lewat Hurapit. Dan terima kasih juga untuk teman-teman Karang Taruna Hurapit sudah mengizinkan saya untuk mengeksplor, yaitu melalui kendaraan bermotor ya, jalan ke sini. Karena sebenarnya untuk sekarang tidak boleh ada kendaraan bermotor roda 2 yang masuk untuk ke dalam ya. Tetap ikuti videonya sampai selesai agar kalian tidak ketinggalan informasi dan update terkini seputar pdam atau ipal, cikoneng, bojongsoang ini.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do.
Oke teman-teman, jadi ini posisi kita lagi di ipal, cikoneng, bojongsoang ya. Lagi rame banget di hari Minggu ini ya, bulan Agustus 2021. Rame banget suasananya. Dan kita kedatangan tamu ya dari ini, tukang fotografer nih, Hen. Mang, sehat Mang? Inilah mukanya kasep. Saya kedatangan tamu juga dari IG apa, Info Bandung Barat ya. Sarang saha? Andi. Nah ya, youtuber oke ya, youtuber oke nya Rixpedia ya. Mantap. Berkolaborasi teman-teman untuk membahas atau mereview tempat yang sedang viral ini ya. Dan saya pun nggak tahu ini tuh viralnya kenapa. Dah dulu mah setahu saya tempat ini tuh tempat mancing gitu tah, tempat ngurek dulu mah. Cuman nggak tahu kenapa sekarang jadi viral, banyak banget yang kesini. Bisa dilihat sendiri oleh kalian, rame banget gitu ya. Dan kalau kalian tahu ini viralnya kenapa, boleh tulis di kolom komentar ya. Viralnya bisa viral seperti ini kenapa gitu, bisa ditulis di kolom komentar ya. Oke, terus ikutin video saya untuk melihat-lihat tempat yang instagramable ini ya, yaitu ipal, cikoneng, bojongsoang. Teman, Mang Rixpedia ya. Nah, jangan lupa subscribe channelnya, like, komen. Lagi menerbangkan drone untuk mengambil view di ipal, cikoneng ini ya teman-teman. Ini drone-nya.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no. Enough to get a see, they'd rather just go leave it be. I know this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home, on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know, feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself, I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on.
Semangat Pak. Kesan pesannya gimana Pak untuk ipal pdam ini?
Ya ekstrim. Wah, jalannya lumayan, tapi banding lah kalau setelah sampai sini.
Alhamdulillah sejuknya indah. Siap, atur nuhun Pak.
Ya, Kak.
Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.
thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
Merdeka, Pak.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly
Oke
above
teman-teman,
the sky.
sekarang kita akan ke pintu masuk yang lewat kantor PDM-nya teman-teman.
Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Pintu masuk ketika kalian melalui kantor PDM yang di depannya, nanti jalannya lewat sini. Jadi untuk tujuannya ke sana, masuknya nanti lewat jalur sini kalau kalian melalui jalur PDM yang di kantornya ya, yang depan. Sini juga bagus untuk spot foto.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.